The heat and humidity will build throughout the day today. We'll have plenty of hazy sunshine as well, with just the chance of a few spotty storms developing throughout the afternoon. The big weather story, though, today, the heat index values. This is how it will really feel this afternoon, anywhere from 90 to 95 when you factor in that humidity. And just with the heat and humidity, we'll have the chance of a few isolated storms. You see here on TrueCast how spotty they will be, so do not cancel any plans if you have them outdoors. The better chance of storms will be tomorrow, especially in the afternoon hours with a high of 90 degrees. And overall, this 7-day planning forecast will feature a daily chance of rain, but no day will be a washout with temperatures in the 80s and 90s.